Yeah, he's edging closer at the moment, so hopefully tonight we'll sort of know what the story is, Trump is playing, he's playing dirty now at the moment. He's trying to go up to courts and stuff like that. So I'd say it'll probably go on for could go on for another week or two. He's declared the president because of the trouble. It'll be unreal. I've met him three or four times met him now, and just to be, to know someone that's going to be the president of the United States it's unreal. I've been in the White House there in 2017 when they finished up the last time, when he received his Medal of Honor from Obama, and it's great. It's a cool place to be in. So I'm looking forward to coming back in January. I'd say I'm confident now. I wasn't that confident on Tuesday night. It was, it didn't look good. So when I went to bed and I got up in the morning, I didn't, it was hard to call, and it's still not there. But hopefully tonight it will be there. It's unreal for Ballina. The mural behind us here, it's attracted loads of people and loads of media. The town is on the map anyways from the River Moy and stuff, but this is just really putting it on the map.